In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change existing text in an image in Photopea. We'll walk through this step by step so that even if you're brand new to Photopea, you can confidently update text in any image, like a poster, a social media graphic, or a flyer. First, open your web browser and go to the Photopea website. Photopea runs completely in the browser, so you don't need to install anything. Once the interface loads, you'll see a workspace that looks very similar to Photoshop, with a toolbar on the left, panels on the right, and a big empty canvas in the center. Next, we need to open the image that contains the text you want to change. At the top left, click on File, then choose Open. A file window will pop up. Navigate to the image on your computer, select it, and click Open. Your image will now appear on the canvas in Photopea. Before we try to edit the text, it's important to check whether that text is actually a text layer, or if it's just part of the flat image. On the right side, look for the Layers panel. You should see a list of layers that make up your document. If the file was originally created as a layered design, each piece of text will usually appear as its own layer, marked with a T icon. Click on the layer that you think contains the text you want to change. With that layer selected, go to the toolbar on the left and choose the Type tool. It looks like a capital T now. Move your cursor over the text in your image and click directly on it. If it's an editable text layer, the text will become highlighted and a text cursor will appear. At this point, you can simply select the existing words and start typing your new text. Take your time to type exactly what you want. You can also adjust the font, size, color, and other settings from the options bar at the top of the screen. For example, if the new text is longer or shorter than the original, you may need to adjust the size so it fits nicely in the design. If you don't see a text cursor when you click, that means the text is not editable and is baked into the image. In that case, you'll need more advanced techniques like covering it with a shape or using clone tools, then adding new text on top as a fresh text layer. But when it is a real text layer, the process is as simple as selecting, editing, and styling. Once you're happy with the new text, click on another tool, or press Enter on the numeric keypad to confirm the change. Finally, go to File, then Export As, and choose the format you need, such as PNG or JPG. Save the file to your computer, and you're done. That's how you change existing text in an image using Photopea.